Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download build custom reports in Salesforce for sales managers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab located in the main navigation bar. Click on New Report to start creating a custom report. In the Report Type window, select the relevant report type based on your needs. For sales managers, options like opportunities or accounts are often most useful. Once selected, click on the Continue button to proceed. The Report Builder interface will open, allowing you to customize your report. First, locate the Fields panel on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop the desired fields into the main report area. Consider including important metrics such as opportunity amount, stage, and close date. Next, utilize the Filters section. Add filters to show only relevant opportunities or accounts for your sales team. For example, you can filter by stage or close date. After setting your filters, click on Apply. To enhance the report's visual representation, consider adding charts. Click on the Add Chart icon above the report preview. Choose the type of chart that best displays your data. You can select options like bar charts or pie charts. Once you're satisfied with your report's design, proceed to save it. Click on the Save and Run button in the upper right corner. Name your report and provide a brief description if necessary. Decide whether to save it in a specific folder for easy access. After saving, you will see your report populated with real-time data. Review the report to ensure it meets your requirements. If adjustments are needed, use the Edit button to make changes. Once all modifications are complete, save your work again. To download your report, click on the Export button located on the report page. Select your preferred format, such as Excel or CSV. Click on Export to download the file to your computer. You can now share this report with your sales team or use it for analysis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.